garbage celebrity that ever dared to get on TV. So to every sanctimonious piece of garbage celebrity that ever dared to get on TV, to every sanctimonious piece of garbage celebrity that ever dared to get on TV and tell us all how stupid we are and how we should vote, and how these celebrities just have absolutely zero grip on reality. I just wanted to let y'all know we're doing pretty good here. Our houses are just fine. How you doing out there in California? You've earned every bit of it. Enjoy. So to every sanctimonious